Oh man, they are heavier than they look. Right, we all good? Sound all good? Lighting, yeah. Check, check, check. Right, broskies, we have two, hopefully, two sneakers to unveil. I'm not gonna lie to you. After the Air Max 1 chlorophyll patter debacle, I was hurting. I was burnt. My favorite brand out there at the minute, they did me dirty. But we're over it for now. I had to get something though, just to sort of lick my wounds, as they say. And I didn't get one, I got two because, yeah, just wasn't enough, in my opinion. However, it's one I've been eyeing up for a while to pull the trigger. Obviously, right price, right size, right colorway. The other one I have sort of been waiting for since 2020. I'm excited. One of the shoes though, I couldn't get my true to size. So yeah, let's have a look. Let's have a look. First one, just because it's on the top. Let's get it open. Let's get it open. Now, if you are interested, I will leave some purchase links down below as well. So hopefully these guys are still there. I don't know why I opened it like that. I just, it's a Monday. Haven't even brushed my teeth. How about that? Don't judge me, okay? Red Nike box, Air Max 90, SP, infrared, and black. Right. It's been a while since they came out. What, 4 years now? Oh, I really don't know if the camera is going to pick it up, but in person, and it might just be the lighting in the room, it does look rather pink. Now, I can't remember the 2020 pair. I didn't get a pair just because, yeah, they flew off shelves. Yeah, it just went on my hit list at the time. Obviously, the original pair with Atmos, some people's grills, my grill, infrared, obviously, but it kind of looks pink in this room. Now, I don't know if it's the fact that I'm still half asleep or it's the fact of the lighting. This is kind of cool. We've got the hang tag, Nike hang tag. Also laces. We've got some infrared / pink laces. Black laces too. So yeah, you get 2 spare laces, and they also come with white laces in the shoe itself. Really do like these. I mean, come on. When it comes to Air Max 90s, there's not many out there that have the sort of streets like this colorway does. The collaboration originally with Atmos, and the whole pack I think in 2020 did okay for the Air Max 90. QC is really nice. I mean, the camouflage looks clean. All the panels, you can't see anything out of the ordinary, especially any glue, which is very nice to see. Pretty nice, very well executed. The only thing I'm upset about is I couldn't get a UK 9, and I have seen some retailers get them earlier. I got these from 7 Store, which I believe is a part of the JD group. I did try my hardest to get the size 9 I wanted. However, when you cart it, it says out of stock, which, don't you just hate it when that happens? Patter, pretty happy. I mean, these were on the hit list anyway, but I wasn't like eager to get them just because there were so many sneakers coming out around the same time. But it's still a very well sought after Air Max 90 at the end of the day. So we had to get them in, see what the QC is like, see what it's like compared to the other retros. And I'm very well satisfied. Absolutely fire. Looks amazing. Love camouflage, obviously. It's in my logo, always say it, but yeah, big fan of camouflage, can't go wrong. That's another reason why I love the Air Max 90 reverse dark camo. The whole pack really was fire. It's just this one for me, out of them, yeah, that's the one. So for those who don't know, the Atmos collaboration on the Air Max 90, the official dark camo, there was a lot more black on the shoe. All the infrared panels you see here were black. So obviously naming it the reverse dark camo, they changed up the panels and made it, I guess, more louder. And yeah, it's not an official collaboration, but that's where it draws its inspiration from. And I love it. I do love it. If you don't have the Spondoolix to spend on the collaboration way back when, then yes, this retro can definitely make up for that one. So that's it. The reverse dark camo Air Max 90. Really like it. Now, let me just quickly try these on. Bear in mind, these are half a size down to what I'm used to with an Air Max 90, and I'm wearing thick socks just to make sure. See, in this lighting, it does look more infraredish, if that makes sense. But yeah, they fit like an 8.5 for me. So if you are trying to get these, definitely go true to size on an Air Max 90 that you're used to. Oh yeah, I really do like them. I'm definitely going for my size when they get more of a release in the UK. Definitely, look at them, lovely. Yeah, there's very few out there that are worth the sort of balance of being loud, but at the same time, wow, they look good, you know? Some shoes are just loud for the sake of it. Anyways, broskies, enough of that. Let's put these to one side. Man, it's a care package out here. Do I open it this way? Bit of ASMR for you. Is that how you say it? ASMR. Look, anyway, Okay, maybe not. Oh, lovely jubbly stuff. Shout out to End. I forgot I ordered a hoodie. You know what's funny? It's a Patter hoodie. The irony. Let me just quickly show you this hoodie. It's basically the collaboration with Patter and Converse. So if you see that at the back, what does it say? I don't even know. Patter, rain or shine. And the bottom says, see no weather, hear no weather, speak no weather. And I thought that was really cool. So that had to get copped, and it's green. You know, I love a bit of khaki. Very well made. It's got that sort of vintage retro vibe. You've got the Patter and Converse badge there. And I love the sort of stitching around it, you know, kind of signifies sort of 90s vibe. And I'm loving it. But I'm not going to wear it now because I'm absolutely sweating. Anyway, Air Max or Air 180. Yeah, Air 180. They did change it. Amazing box. First time getting the new iterations of the Air Max 180 or Air 180s. Dusty Cactus, baby. Dusty Cactus. So the product sticker does say Nike Air 180 and the official colorway is black alabaster Dusty Cactus. But I like it. It's got 180 there, as you can see, sort of half. The the orange Nike Air badge there, and on the side, but it's for some reason. Broskis, be quick if you want to get these. Go to End. They had these for £110. Now these retail for around 135, I believe, 130. So that couldn't go amiss. I thought before they change it back to normal, let me get them in hand. Now I'm not gonna lie to you, they weren't on my hit list. However, the price, they had my size, and I thought it's about time I got the Air 180 in. Seeing as I missed out on the Ultramarines, which can't believe they sold out so quick. Very nice. Love the blue. Very retro. The felt on the overlays, the mesh on the underlays as well. Cream sort of hits on the sock liner, the swoosh, and the piping around the tongue. Absolutely love it. So clean. But I really like the outsole of an Air 180 and the new and improved big bubble to the Air 182, which, you know what, it's funny to me because no one's kicking up a fuss about this one. To be fair, actually, it does suit this shoe way more than the 86 cut to the Air Max 1. Very nice, very nice. Now, I did get my UK 9, thankfully. Nike Air at the back, can't go wrong. 180 at the back, just below that too. Got the 180 Air on the tongue. Love it, love it, love it. Anyways, broskies, let me know what you think out of the two. Which one are you leaning more towards? Which one have you got already? Because I know people, so many people are a fan of the Air 180s or Air Max 180s, whatever you want to call them. And I've always said it, the 180s are sort of like a niche Air Max. Like Air Max are niche in general. The 180s are sort of like neither more of a niche shoe. Air Max 1s, very popular. 90s, same. 95, same. 97s. So when it comes to these, I think there's less people that really want them, but equally they're loved, you know? Less people, but more love, if that makes sense. The Air Max 180, absolute classic. Possibly for me, top 10 Air Max ever. I don't think it makes my top 5, and it might sound wild to a lot of people, but I just think the 90s, the 95s, Air Max 1s, BWs, 97s or TNs, I think they're top 5. I do believe they just edge it, maybe 6 or 7, you know, but definitely much loved for me and for a lot of people. Reversed up camo though, personally does steal the show just because I'm a 90 fanboy above all else, and I just love this color. Hope to get this in my size, and yeah, absolute classic, the both of them. Let me know though, broskies, what you're feeling out of the two, if you have a favorite, if you don't give a monkeys. Also, what's your latest pickup? Did you get any of these? Are you waiting for anything else? Are you as upset with the Air Max 1 Patter release? Let me know, let me know. And yeah, I'm gonna get this all edited. Also, get ready for the live stream tonight with Hass. We're gonna chop it up, talk about possible restocks on the Air Max 1 chlorophylls. Anyways, broskies, don't forget to like, comment, share. And yes, until the next episode, take care. Bye-bye. Don't know what happened there, boy.